What are superconductors? Superconductors are the material having almost zero resistivity and behave as diamagnetic. Superconductivity is the flow of electric current. Without resistance in certain metals, alloys and ceramics at temperatures near absolute zero. Superconductor is the material that offers no resistance to the flow of electricity. When a sample of mercury is cooled with liquid helium at 4.2 Kelvin, its critical resistance vanishes completely and it becomes superconducting. He termed this phenomena as superconductivity. Superconductivity was first discovered in 1911 by the Dutch physicist Heike Kamerlingh Onnes. Critical temperature are superconducting transition temperatures. This is the temperature at which the ordinary conducting material may become superconducting, or the temperature below which an element exhibits superconductivity was termed as critical temperature. It is denoted by Tc. General properties of superconductors. There are 5 properties. Electrical resistance. Virtually there is zero electrical resistance. Effect of impurities. When impurities are added to superconducting elements, the superconductivity is no loss but critical temperature is low. Effect of pressures and stress. Certain materials exhibit superconductivity on increasing the pressure in superconductors. The increase in stress results in increase of the critical temperature value. Fourth one is isotope effect. The transition temperature is inversely proportional to the square root of isotopic mass of single superconductors. Fifth one is magnetic field effect. If strong magnetic field applied to a superconductor below its critical temperature, the superconductors undergo a transition from superconducting state to normal state. Materials in a superconducting state are perfect diamagnets. Superconductors will repel magnetic lines of force and also expel all the magnetic flux from their interior. What is Meissner effect? To complete expulsion of all magnetic field by a superconducting material is called Meissner effect. If a superconducting material is placed in a magnetic field above its critical temperature, it means greater than Tc, the magnetic lines of force will penetrate into a sample and behaves like a magnetic, is shown in figure A diagram. However, when this material is cooled below its critical lines of force, critical temperature, if not only repels all the magnetic lines of force and also expel all the magnetic flux from the interior of the material and behaves like a diamagnet. This is the phenomena is termed as Meissner effect, is shown in figure B. And classification of superconductors. On the basis of their diamagnetic properties, superconductors are classified into two types, type 1 and type 2 superconductors. Type 1 superconductors. These are the superconductors. They will lose their magnetization suddenly when they are kept in magnetic field below its critical temperature. Only one critical field exists for these superconductors. Critical field value is very low for these superconductors. Exhibit perfect and complete Meissner effect. The current flows through the surface only in these superconductors. These materials have limited technical applications because of very low field strength value. Examples are very pure samples of lead, mercury and tin. And type 2 superconductors. These are superconductors. They will lose their magnetization gradually when they are kept in magnetic field above its critical temperature, also called hard superconductors. There are two critical fields in these type 2 superconductors. Critical field value is very high. It is found that current flows throughout the material. These materials have wider technology of very high field strength value. Examples: NBSN, NBZR, NBTN. And last one, the applications of superconductors. Superconductors are used in construction of high-speed magnetically leviated trains. Superconducting cables are used for efficient power transmission. Powerful superconducting magnets are used in magnetic resonance imaging, that means MRI scanning. These are also used for construction of small transformers with efficiency of 99.99%. These are also used as cables for high-speed signal transmission in supercomputers. Superconducting generators has the benefit of small size and low energy consumption than the conventional generators. Very fast and accurate computers can be constructed using superconductors. Thank you for giving this opportunity.